Welcome. Today, we're diving into a helpful guide on how to restrict a group member on Instagram. Whether you're looking to manage interactions more effectively or simply need a break from certain conversations, restricting someone can be a useful tool. Let's walk through the updated steps together. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all features seamlessly. Next, look for the Messages icon located at the top of your screen. This icon resembles a paper airplane and will take you to your direct messages. Once you're in the Messages section, it's time to find the group you want to manage. Scroll through your conversations until you see the group chat that includes the member you wish to restrict. After locating the group chat, click on the name of the group at the top of the page. This will take you to a page where you can see all members of the group and other settings related to it. Now, click on People to view all members in the group. Here you'll see a list of everyone who is part of this conversation. Next, find the member you want to restrict. Once you've identified them, click on the three dots next to their name. This will open up a menu with several options for managing their access. Finally, select Restrict from this menu. By doing this, you'll limit their ability to interact with your content while still keeping them in the group. Remember, restricting someone keeps your interactions private and helps maintain a positive environment, and there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily restrict a group member on Instagram. It's a straightforward process that allows for better control over your social interactions without completely blocking someone. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips on navigating social media.